Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Today's date, July 15th, 2019. I've got an update on the Carnival Vista. She's, of course, in Grand Bahamas now for a major repair to her Azipods. She's met up with the Boca Vanguard, the floating dry dock unit. You can see here how they sunk it. They brought the ship in over top of the dry dock, and then once the ship was in position, they began to lift the dry dock out of the water, secured the ship to the unit, and the two are now one. The Boca Vanguard is 825 feet long, 210 feet wide. The ship, the Vista, holds 4,000 passengers. She's 1,056 feet long, 121 feet wide. So the front end and the back end stick out of the dry dock, but that's perfect because they need to get at the back of the ship to work on the Azipods. They have bearing issues that they have to repair, and they need access to the back end. You'll notice here on the next photo how they do that. The ship now is being tended to by an army of workers. They're going to get this work done within the next 5 to 7 days. Equipment has been brought in from other units. They have floating, in effect, floating platforms that they brought in right behind the dry dock. And the equipment is literally working off of that to get at the ship. You see there's 3 of them right there. And the Azipods will be repaired. They have to have the ship back in Galveston by the 27th of July for her next sailing. So ideally, the hope is that the ship will be repaired here on the 24th maybe. They'll test her on the 25th. It should be all right. Then she'll sail her way to Galveston and meet up with her passengers. Anyway, there's an update. They're feverishly working on the Vista as we speak. Join me Monday nights, 8 o'clock Eastern Time, for live Traveling with Bruce. Cruise updates and a little bit of trivia. We have some fun. Come and visit me. And thanks for subscribing to my channel. And we'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.